What is up everybody, it's Jtag 20. Today I'm showing you how to install games to your hard drive. Yes, like you want to burn like games onto your Jtag and all that. This is the way you can do it. You use a CD or you can transfer games you downloaded. Everything will be in the description of everything you need. I won't play this game, but I will be playing a game that's already on my flash drive. I was just giving you an example. Everything's still the same. What you need to do is just follow my instructions, what I'm showing you now. As you can see, I'm trying to open it up. I was showing you. Yeah, this is once again, I'm just an example of what you do. I'm not going to use this game. Yeah, just click right there, right click it, click right there, and find where you want to save at. This is like really easy to do. And yeah, I will get back with y'all after that gets done. If you hear anything in the background, I'm sorry. As you can see, it's almost done. Alright. Just exit that out, and just drag the file onto a USB. I'm not going to do it because, once again, I already got it on, I got a different game on there. I was just showing you these are the files all right here. I paused the video, I forgot to plug my USB up. But yeah, once again, I forgot to plug the USB up like an idiot. Now we got it up. Sorry about that, let me exit that out. And you can see we're going to try Modern Warfare 2. All thing you need to do is just drag that in there. But it's going to take a long time. About 15 to 30 minutes, depending on what your whatever speed is on your computer. Just exit that out and all that. And now go to your Xbox 360. After we're on our Xbox, now you just go to your XEX menu. If you don't know how to do that, links will be in the description for my playlist. Okay, right bumper should be already on USB. Just press Y and copy. After you copy it, hit X and go to the hard drive. Then press Y and create. If you want to create your own folder of game. If you don't want to, you just press Y and paste it in there. I'm creating me a folder. I want to be in there. As you can see, click right there, press Y, hit, and you can see right there, you press Y and go down, copy DVD. That's how you copy when you want to use a CD. But I'm not. I'm just going to paste it in there. As you can see, copy DVD. I messed up for a minute. I already pasted it in there, my bad, I'm sorry.